Are you new to TikTok and don't know what niche to pick? You're not alone. Many beginners struggle with finding their focus, but the good news is you can still grow and get noticed even without a specific niche. Today, we'll show you how beginners with no niche can start building an audience on TikTok in 2025. The first step is to explore different types of content. When you're not tied to a niche, you have the freedom to experiment. Try funny skits, tips you know, relatable moments, trending challenges, or even day in the life videos. Pay attention to what feels natural to you and what gets engagement. That's how you discover your strengths and interests over time. Next, focus on consistency and frequency. Posting regularly signals to TikTok's algorithm that you're an active creator, increasing your chances of being shown to more people. Even if your videos vary in topic, as long as they're engaging, your account will start gaining traction. Over time, patterns will emerge, and you might notice a type of content your audience enjoys most. This can eventually become your niche. Don't be afraid to leverage trends and sounds. Trending challenges, audio clips, and hashtags can give your videos a boost even if you haven't settled on a niche yet. The key is to adapt trends to your personality and style, making them unique so viewers remember you. Another important tip is to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and interact with other creators. Engagement helps your videos perform better in the algorithm and builds a small but loyal community, even before you define a niche. Finally, embrace experimentation and patience. Growth without a niche takes time, but it's also an opportunity to test different ideas, discover what resonates, and refine your content strategy. By staying consistent, being authentic, and learning from feedback, you'll naturally find a direction that fits both you and your audience. If this guide helped you understand how to start on TikTok with no niche, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tips for growing your account in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.